everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I'm going to show you what I do to drop weight very rapidly. All the things I do, I think this one works the most and is the most effective. You know, everything works together, but this is by far the most effective. So I personally I bought a case of parsley, so I just take a bunch and freeze it. So this is already washed and frozen, so I put one bunch of parsley in here. I'm gonna do, this is 20 ounces ginger detox. I do more than what I tell my customers to do because my body's in worse shape than everybody else. I like tart. If you like sweet, add sweetie. I like tart, so I'm gonna throw in some lemon in here to make it like a sweet and sour green drink. But I put about a cup of Greek yogurt in here. But I'm telling you, it is so filling. It is a meal replacement. And what it does is get your digestive system going, so you're gonna go to the bathroom. This is gonna clean you from the inside out. This is what made me get down to a size 2, along with my mixes and my soup and the noodles. So I was doing all 4 things when I got down to a size 2. So now I just had a baby. My baby is 2 weeks old yesterday, and I don't know how much weight I dropped. I think I've dropped about maybe 20 pounds, but I haven't weighed myself since last week, so I don't know. But I can tell that I'm slimming down, you know, so we're gonna do this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like once you are done with it, mixing it. Now I'm gonna tell you guys something. So it's probably gonna make 2 or 3 of these 20-ounce servings, okay? So again, everything I do is more than what I demand out of my customers. I'll drink the whole thing. This is probably enough for you guys. 20 ounces is enough for a day for you guys, and you can put the rest in the fridge. But I'm gonna tell you guys something. If you don't have a Vitamix, the parsley does not, it does not liquefy like it does in a Vitamix. So if you don't have a Vitamix and you have another kind of a blender, you might want to use spinach instead of parsley. But I like parsley. I personally think parsley is more effective. I gotta use a lot more spinach, and I like the flavor of parsley more than spinach, which is why I use it. So I hope this helps you guys on your weight loss journey and detoxing and getting healthy. Again, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Or if you don't live nearby, you can always visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. And don't forget, we have a YouTube channel now. You can go on YouTube and type Healthy Treats Market and subscribe to our channel. And I upload all my videos on YouTube, so they're real easy to find there. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.